Hello, Diorama Don here once more. This is how I go about making a metal fence. I cut 2 pieces of chicken wire, just 3 squares high, and 1 piece bend over the ends like so, and then another piece that will fit inside of those bent pieces like so, so that it interlocks and makes the grid a little smaller, if you see what I mean. Okay, then with a pair of pliers, finish bending these ends over, and the same the other end. So now you've got that effect. Now all you need to do, assuming you use styrofoam or however you fix your fence posts, styrofoam is just so easy. You just go clunk, finished, done. Glue those in like so, and then because this is a double thickness, this will slide straight over the top like so. Don't even need to fix it. Okay, so that will be a reasonably good metal fence. And then to make it even better, you may recall on a previous video how I made my barbed wire, again with chicken wire. Just cut the ends so that it's not focusing, so you can just see the small barbs either side of the wire, and then fold that over so again that interlocks, so the barbs interlock like so. You can see that like that. And then with a pair of pliers again, hold one end, and then with a paintbrush, or in this case a barbecue stick, I can't see the end, just keep twisting and twisting, like so. Somebody commented that it might be easier to use a slow power drill, but chicken wire is quite brittle, and it is prone to breaking quite easily. So just gently, very slowly turning that round and round and round, you will eventually get that, which is very much like barbed wire. And then with just with PVA glue, that will stick onto there. If I can move that up. So you could put 2 pieces of the barbed wire on top. Oh, hang on. Missed my fence post. There we go. 2 pieces of barbed wire on the top there, and that will fix quite easily with PVA glue. Of course, it would be better if they were the right distance apart, but something like that. Okay, I think you get the idea. No, it's not going to do it for me. Okay, so that's my idea of a metal fence. Very quick, very easy, not much preparation, and very easy to do. Put that back on there. That looks better. And that's quite an effective metal fence. So, there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. There'll be many more videos coming up soon. So yeah, please subscribe. Any comments below, and I'll see you again in another video, if my voice ever comes back. So happy modeling.